kaninong actors or actresses would you want to take on someday?
For me, Derek Ramsey. So yung mga roles.
Sino? Si James lang? Or for everyone? Si Nadine.
Sorry.
Hindi emulate, bebe. Sino, ano ba?
Ako, well, to be honest, gusto ko po kasi action eh. Wow. Gusto ko po medyo action. So, parang
May action star
Angel
ba
of
tayo?
Scene. Angel of Scene.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll entertain last two questions, ha? Okay. Sige, go ahead. Your name and your black side.
Good morning, everyone.
Pagkakaroon ng mic.
Hello. Good morning, cast. I'm Mark Pagana from FilipinoScribe.com. Since it was mentioned a while ago that the movie is about extreme passions, no? So I want to ask, I'm just curious, no, what's the craziest thing you've done for love?
Wait lang. Wait lang ba?
Out of passion, yung matinding kagusto.
The craziest thing na nagawa niyo out
For me, I'm not really an extreme person, which is why I was excited to play this kind of role that really takes me out of my comfort zone. But for me, I'm really not an extreme kind of person.
Thank you, James.
Lahat ko ba or kaming dalawa lang?
No,
everyone.
Yes.
I'm still thinking. Joseph? Why are you looking at me?
Same with James. Hindi naman ako sobrang extreme na tao.
Gaya-gaya lang.
Pero feeling ko yung pinaka-grabe.
Yes, go Joseph.
Pero feeling ko yung pinaka-grabe na nagawa ko, yung pinuno ko yung kwarto niya ng flowers.
Oh.
Simula dun sa entrance ng bahay nila hanggang papunta sa kwarto niya, may petals na nakakalat. So, feeling ko yun yung pinaka...
Petals sa labas, flowers sa loob. Hindi nga, tama.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah, see? Ano?
Extremes, I like random sweet nothings. Mas dun ako, and for me, mas importante sa akin yung effort. And when I am committed, when I'm in a relationship, or if I really fall in love with someone, I'm gonna do everything to spend time with them, even if that means driving all the way from north to south, and then at midnight going all the way back, kahit ako lang, and to bring like, alam mo yun, like, example, normal donuts on a, leave them there, and then just say, oh, I left something in your car, go check it out. Mahilig ako sa mga ganun. Na may messaging donuts, ganyan, super cute. And, extremes, yun, gives so much effort to, like, hanggang sa friends that sometimes I have to put them on the side because I really, like, focus.
Thank you.
Nadine? Nasagot mo na ba?
Oh, yeah.
The craziest thing? Well, kasi ako po, sobrang masunurin ako sa parents ko. But the first time I fell in love, that was, dun lang ako nag-start na sumuway sa kanila.
When was that?
I was 16 that time. So yun pa lang. Yun pa lang yung craziest thing na nagawa.
So they didn't know about it at all?
Unang-una hindi nila alam. Then when they found out, sobrang galit na galit
Gaano
sila.
katagal mo natago?
You have your mic, you may use your mic.
Gaano katagal mo
Natago sa kanila.
before they discovered?
Sandali lang actually eh. Like a month lang or 2 months. Kasi nahuli din nila ako. Hindi kasi ako marunong magsinungaling. Hindi ako marunong magtago sa kanila. Before. So yun po, nabuking din.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're good?
Thank you.
Okay. The last question will come from your name again, please.
Hi, I'm Ayan of the Sweet Box. My question goes to Nadine and James. Is this part... Sorry.
Ano ba? Naka-cue ka ba?
Ay, ang cute na. Is that part of your like career strategy na movie actors lang without doing teleseries or any TV shows?
I think it's the decision of BuzzFeed.
Thank you.
But yeah, I like it.
Kids have premium as movie star.